Let's discuss the answers for the given question with grade 8 students. You have to take your answer script. Before discussing the answers with you, I want to just briefly clarify the theories related to this question. What is the difference between these two sound clips? The frequency means number of vibrations in a unit time. ඒ කියන්නේ තප්පරයකට සිද්ධ වෙන කම්පන වාර සංඛ්‍යාව. It is measured using hertz. First sound clip, vibrating length is high. Therefore, the frequency of the sound is less. But sound clip 2, vibrating length is decreased. Therefore, the frequency increases. This musical instrument sound is produced by vibrating strings. There are some instruments which produces sounds vibrating an air column, as well as some instruments produce sound vibrating membranes. Answers for the questions are given here. Check with your answer script. Thank you for watching.